This video demonstrates how to perform the volume test on the PREVI Color GRAM instrument to ensure consistent and reliable staining results. In this video, you will learn what items are required to perform the volume test. Watch step-by-step instructions on how to perform the volume test. Know what a correct volume test looks like. What to do if the volume test is out of tolerance. The volume test should be performed weekly to verify that the correct amount of reagent is delivered and that the nozzles are functioning properly. Getting started. To perform this test, you will need the maintenance kit provided with the instrument. How to perform the volume test. On the PREVI Color GRAM touchscreen, select Maintenance. Select Volume Test to begin the procedure. If it has not already been removed, remove the carousel from the instrument. Hold a volume collection tube, small tube from the maintenance kit so that nozzle A is completely covered. On the touchscreen, press the A reagent button. The instrument will dispense reagent into the tube for approximately 20 seconds. Remove the tube. Securely place the cap on the tube. Label the tube with the corresponding reagent letter if it is not already labeled. Place the tube in the rack provided in the maintenance kit. Repeat the steps for each remaining nozzle, B, C, D, and E, pressing the corresponding reagent button on the touchscreen for each nozzle. For the D nozzles, hold a tube over each D nozzle and press the D button on the touchscreen with your free hand. Evaluating the results. Measure the volume in each tube and compare it to the specified tolerance range table. If the volume is within tolerance, the test is complete. If the volume is out of tolerance, corrective action is required. If the volume is out of tolerance, if any result is outside the acceptable range, clean the nozzle orifice using the nozzle brush provided in the maintenance kit. Repeat the volume test. If the issue persists, refer to the Maintaining Nozzles section in the user manual for detailed cleaning instructions. You may also view the nozzle cleaning video available on bioMérieux University. If the problem continues after cleaning, replace the nozzle and retest. If the issue persists after replacement, contact your bioMérieux representative. Tracking and documentation. For traceability, it is recommended to enable the Preventive Maintenance Tracking feature in the QC Maintenance Tracking menu to record volume test results. When enabled, after performing the volume test, a screen will pop up allowing you to record the test result. Enter the volume for that tube and then OK. This will record the result on the PREVI Color GRAM preventive maintenance log in the system. Post-test cleanup. Prepare the maintenance kit for future use. Empty the contents of each tube into the instrument bowl or hazardous waste container. Rinse the tubes with distilled water. Return the tubes to their designated locations in the maintenance kit or tube tray. For additional details on the PREVI Color GRAM instrument, refer to the PREVI Color GRAM user manual. Thank you for watching.